Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Mwancho mulgereria karibu naende omorogoba oboneka kero chia butukire chinsa isato igoro yomorogoba itwereria halamisi ekemanyero kyabenenga togoswasa mesa ya mangana maya kurugete senigeto kyabenegia Nsoko TV yakoba ngokomanya haliagendrete gwatika kurwa chinsemo ona baigo atobere to kwariganiria hasenchera ere yowe kan kure mesa ito ya mangana mayo morogoba bono ekero bali mega yamenyoncho mbana basondari hamone Kelvin Mogoi kwene kingama riogia monechi bicha ya mangana mayega toni isato ko ikerare senchera yowe nkuru kwa Daniel omwaga hayarbosyo ngati yalina kwariganiria morogoba obonoiga Mulgereria maye chinsa isato nigote kuya chakabene kurwase county ya Kisii sebono omwaziri wechisemi Julius Migos Ogamba nigolit kuyarero ara okobekero chiguto kwa borokibwa bwetani ya chiri bwinyebe skuri bobundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic omuroberi akorekana himeye skuru eyo no munyega hikeranwa nabarai ao hegati ya omokonyi bo mugabana abwe county ya Kisii omuska Elijah Webo asebono henkwana yaye Ogamba nigo ayenekerie ngachibesa cha borokibwa bechi skuru chibobundi omwaka mugima kigo kira chiko igikwa na komentu abweka chishiringi chiriu chimia isano nemo na 50 na omogo 67000 na baigo kwenekeria aborokibwa buna bali chingaki bakogenda isiko bono kumega yo kukiro chigutwa banyarakoba abakweri kemeremo na baigo ko balika abange nengana yasirwa amo no moske Elijah Obebo hamo no morokyo manene ebwe skuru yue Geoffrey Andama muri kito Petro Machini niga ya magora yana weka chinseme chiesenjeri ya bene na gotorengene roboti irokobwatia
Nasomega bukobekera borke wetansiru bunye guto habeskuru yobundi ya Kisii bajigonya ko bugukurawa no mwaziri bwechiseme mensi ya Kenya Muske Julius Migos Ogamba amona bari baikirana se chinsemecho.
Allow me to extend my warmest heartfelt congratulations to each and every member of the class of 2026. Congratulations and clap for yourselves.
Development. Today is a day of great celebration as we release over 4,000 graduates who have very successfully completed their training programs at Kisii National Polytechnic and are now exiting to the job market.
Asingwa na Ugamba nigayenekire mirimo menene chiskuru cyo ubundi chigwikirania asoke uchumi yense wetera umanye bakonyora na kwirike mirimo nabo yokorika bande.
Ladies and gentlemen, the technical and vocational education and training institutions like the Kisii National Polytechnic are the true engines of national development. They do not merely impart knowledge, they equip our youth with market-ready skills and competencies that foster entrepreneurship, innovation, and self-reliance. The Ministry of Education's clear goal is to enroll over 2 million trainees by the end of this year. We are determined to ensure that every school leaver is adequately skilled and fully empowered to participate actively in our economy and nation building.
Okwane kirekyo nigatebire kubwatikana nerigoriri arenga rigoro ryechibesa boriko babiri bagwakana abande gusinyoko wakana nigo ewizara y'ikiseme go chakretarike mu mutinyo gocha irake y'ikibese cy'wega kirwe 50 mo na isana na ibere kero mwaka.
The government has listened to you, and effective May 2026, fees of all public TVET institutions has been reduced and standardized to a total of 67,189 annually. As part of this bold initiative, Kisii National Polytechnic is expected to enroll at least 20,000 trainees in this coming year. This is not an idle target, but a strategic investment in the future of our region and our country.
Asibono omukonyi bw'omugabana bwe county ya Kisii Muskela Ijobebo amono mworokyo munene bwe skuru iyo Geoffrey Andama babaganiriye amaya aborokiwa bwekera bagosoka isiko bwikuriye emirimo kuri kabande na kwirika.
I promise to offer the much needed support to all the youth as I keep molding them to their bright future. One more time, allow me to congratulate you and wish you all the best as you go out there.
I want to tell you this, that people with skills, young men and women who have skills, can never fail to place food on their table. But if you don't have skills, you have a long way to go because nobody will be willing to listen to you.
Reporteria Ensoko TV kurasa skuru yiga ya bobundi ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.
Wancho muligeria togotigana yo ya mangana ichisemi himeya rogongo rwa Gusii nigo bono ribe yarege siasa naende liane kibuga sarogongo rwa Gusii ritko ria rero wagokwana korwa asomo boganio yomo higati amenyi bensemo yebunge ya machoge barabu nigo bago keire hamagendro umugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati ayenekiri asensemeyo nigo nonye nigo bamochiri mubunge bwensemeyo Obadia Barongo asogotekerania obokoreri obuya magega yo komoira ekiara umugabana Paul Simbarati nigo bagosereirie gochia kumorusia bisi maega yo kogenda maminchane kiama gya ODM onyetari gochia gwetigie mirimo nyanigo murikito Frida Kirubo nigakoretaro gwikasensemeyo na utoni roboti rokobwatia sentira yobwekirano
igati abamenyi babu machoge borabu nigo besokire na kogokera amagendero aikiranirwe inse yobora ibumugabana Simba Arati gati yabiria aikiranire ngamono kwenana amabere guchechi skuru obwagachi bwechipara kobeka amache gati yande amange
twarore biko ni mabombo bachipara twarore biko ni mabukimonge amona magenje twarore mara Musimba Arati yire egojigojira chipari chitu wethera samura baitu ejipigire
kwa ini kirie kwenda job kurubu ehi abana baitu baenda tokosamba amabere baba yamoni yagera kwarorira amabere ng'abana baitu abachukuru abana baitu twabyarire banywa amabere bakungu bali ababura kankorosi uri factory bagenda bachikonyora kibesa kuruo
magega yo kwebwa asegeka nigo baenekia okuinyorwa anene aseba okoboko omugabana asokolenta omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto eliogosyolia amagendero chinga kecho nigo batogia oburai bwa bono imeye county ya Kisii kolengania na bolia bwaeta
yasega sia korire ese miake yene igetaneti engaki ya magega
onye twebiru ane twomani kandebu na ntoyo bakino murayo ito Simba Arati agatonyerere president yacha agatokorera mangana amaya natoa ichiro yete ya mugonga negendete kwagachu esire kwera tukire ya Kenya negendete kube ku Kapros
unabona bochi natoremere gesima gekoro kunga igembe agatoremera Nyabongo agatoremera ne Nyambunwa ebine bisima byaremirwa so mwaka oyomo
ari sibeti chipost chieti stima chiarasimaire eyo ne project ya World Bank
boigo ni cha omujumbe Obadia Barongo asokumuire kiara omugabana Arati ase chinkwa na chae cha bwangoiga na kumugania kumusika
tokonde mu amangana twaro mwisimu hoito akoiranirie gavana yaito na matarau aba machoge batabuga kitabiye yo
gochigwanjirana ndori gochigwanjirana abarayibande ba machoge baramu barito chorete bakoire kiara asogo korama
ndem act mochumbe Baronga akora ega bwato mukutano gario so mutio kiru na otora dichasent na bombaba katagara buna arameto mugabano ito Paul Simba Arati buno moisia abantu barenga sama tanga bagatabanga yo no mochumba twachara
nonya nabo nigo bamugania Barongo gwetigia emirimo maiga yo kogenda mamincha no kugania kwa ODM nabo igo gosinya gwikirania obokoleri obuya ime yebunge yo
onye kwarure ODM rero iga ayo musacha design rero Toro bani mubo wana asebole anya kwa biro musanyi tu abera abaizi karwa sekia
to 47 kilometers in fact ekero mwesimi bonyacha gakwete paka bono iga nyone kilometer 47 inchi anya korosu gutiere inka ibaronga gutoira guchi
kuna bantu be party ya ODM inche muno machiaman koriginda delegates 200 kera ward tori keti signature chiba approved korua constituency level chigo ikaga alibo songo chiba signed na anda naonde mune coordinating committee member chiba ku signature chiganda gari Nairobi tondekere kero gutio bochumbe bo machoga bara bufaka kiagara bamwire gokore gasine chama etamochore
bono nigo baboririe omugabana arati ko bakorera amagendero ase barachi kumusira ase ntunda ya kabere iryo komesia bo machoge borabu
ari ko te dia se chi industry rwata tonye beke bugango elinde chake bokonya abana ba skulu chisa mucho mugati na gwata gate ikikionsi to kwari kanete bo machoge borabu ngo saba ko kwabira go chasi simba para cha musinyire ka kigaba nutari kwancho to tichere tonyare guti chechi cha ya kabisa
Kerubo Frida Ensoko TV.
Machoga borabu baba, machoga borabu baba, Simba tuta, Simba
Baya mono morike to Frida Kerubo asora bote ru asenchera ere yobo kanu to tika na byo mwancho muri bono tika tuske motu go chese county ya Nyamira asebono omwaziri bobo chenu bwe imeye county ya Nyamira Dr. Donald Mogoi nigo asabire habamenyi ibe county yoberiki aseke gancha kebo chenu ugyasha korengana na Donald Mogoi nigo bali aberigeti ase ebima yobobweni ya sha bakonyora marioga yo abwato kwane county ya Nyamira abosa batari gwakana kinegionsi ase korende bali abetirigeti na sha kubwenera oseba gwakanira amariogayo niga amariogayo abwatukwa na nigo karengana na Mogoi aikire asisinya gitari chonsi ichi sub county yaketinya gitari chinde kiranyora amariogayo ago ikororo wekumutienyi ogocha kwana korwa asichia bisichiaye imeye mucho Nyamira niga asabire habakoliye mirimo asiji dispensary ao imeye county yeyo baike mirimo asichinga kichiwenerete eliyo kwikerania bokoreri ubobwenia
Rita Dr. Donald Mogoi nambe wana wote abantu baitu wa Nyamira nga litukoria chumane twa nyara ko batogo flag of Marioga mugaba na nyara ko flag of Marioga yagenda mona asti sub county hospitals chito na wiki yegocha tuganyita ayandare ntu yokogenda chi dispensary ne chi center chito lakini anene mona Marioga ya Uganda revolving drug fund yito ngatuwa kwanete igara benefit ya banta bange bali baresha kerubu atesha ogenda se dispensary ito ogenda se center ito nigo okwa Marioga yuno na nsinyegitari ito ya Nyamira rifara usisaba county ito chons igota kero ruali buna ndo wa Marioga yu asebusa ikegera shana we gutuakana lakini igo onye tubu atisha then go ikato to chaji asichiwe so akane wetera Marioga yekero akawa dispense muchia sori igono wachi kero monto wabo idugutumia chiwa sinyegitari usubabo idugo koni bintu byabo egero nyarko bago kurwalirwa tafadhali register na sha naende ekero ko register na sha wakikishe buna kwa bikorero into kurunga means testing ote bigwe premium yawe ne chibeserenge onyarko bago gwakana ekero wakanire sha kogo chinyegitari yaito nande ngabona twatebira Mariongo cyari utokanyegitari cyito igora nyarko bago kurwalirwa bosa nando wa Marioga abo ikono gachikero umuntu tafadhali register na sha na bible no go tabanga chinya gitari chite tekere chichi dispensary tekere ko usambili onye no go siyo kunsa 11 Child center ne chi referral hospital ne chi sub county hospital chi chira open 24 hours meaning akireta ke kawa kwa ndoro teke kwa nyorumu nyagitari ukurwai no go achi abo yaba nyagitari baito chinas chito kwa para chi dispensary tafadhali go ikese gasi saa 2 tali saa 5 na boni ganto ngendo tukobeka di system kia digitization system ya digitization ego cha kobeka koro kigo cha ko so mugabana na kero mun chisaire ngo mun taike gas ikiagara ngwa kwa ike gas kwa clock in go so kwa click system eri immediately ya koro kinga kwa gure nyagitari yao igonto tege tuanse komana ustuanse ko sugumana ustuanse ko punish monto ustuanse ko discipline monto aso go ike gas late ike gas chizi digitake ire egero konya bantu
Murigeria na bono ni gobarai ao baikirana asomoyiga woko mwene nyagosira omugaka Edwin Kipchirchir imeye county ya Bomet uyole ise Davis Chirchir muwaziri wa wizara y'obosombi amo onechibara egemense ya Kenya egati abara yabo baikirana na mono mubunge wensemo ye bunge ya Suna East Junet Mohamed amo no mugabana abwe county ya Homa Bay Omusubati Gladys Wanga korengana na Junet ni gomora ibwense anyakonyire mono ense ya Kenya eyo yarenge na mateni ya manene ekero asoeta obisi buno muraibwense na ase nsemo yaye Musubati Wanga ni gamotogia umuraibwense William Ruto asawikirania magenderero na kubarenta amo abakenya.
Your Excellency, yesterday the government has released the Economic Survey 2026. And for those who want to read keenly, leave alone what these papers are writing, the economic survey that was released yesterday has confirmed that the foundation of our economy is very strong. It has also proved that Kenya is the third largest economy in sub-Saharan Africa. Wako number 3. After South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya is number 3 in the whole of sub-Saharan African countries. Najua wale wanapenda kuangalia mpira, Your Excellency, wanasema ukiwa 1, 2, 3 you qualify for UEFA Champions League. Ndio unaenda. People were just asking me yesterday whether tutakuwa Arsenal or Man City, which one are we going to be? But Kenya is doing very well, and the economic survey has brought out many things that Kenyans need to take very serious. Your Excellency, the economic survey has said that there is 25,000 roads that are being tarmacked in our country. 25,000 kilometers of road that are being tarmacked in our country. Production of maize has moved to almost 50 million bags. 1 million jobs was created last year. 1 million jobs in our country. It has also talked about the economy because, Your Excellency, people think that this economy was in a good place when you took over. For us who have been in parliament, we know where we were because this economy was under serious debt distress. The last government, the previous government, the government of President Moi left no debt because nobody was giving him debt money. The government of President Kibaki left 1.8 trillion only. The last government, including the fake handshake that we were inside, we left 10 trillion to the country. Trillion kumi. There was no money for development. There was nothing. Now turning around and removing the country from that cesspit was not an easy task. So only a genius leader who's committed to his work will do that job, Your Excellency. And we must commend you for removing Kenyans from that cesspit to where they are today, where they're not worried about paying debts.
Sisi tumeona hii broad-based government ambayo wewe rais pamoja na the late baba mliweka pamoja. Na tumeona ni kwa nini. I've seen comparison of figures, but somebody should also compare equity. Ile maendeleo ambayo imeendelea katika kila kona ya hii nchi bila ubaguzi. Na sisi hatuwezi uziwa ukabila, tuuziwe uoga, tuuziwe utangamano, separation and division of Kenyans, because the broad-based government under yourself and my party leader now, Dr. Oburu Oginga, ni kuweka wa Kenya pamoja, every Kenyan, leaving no Kenyan behind, kila Mkenya asonge mbele. Na sisi tuko hapo, as a government we know where we've come from, we know where we are, and we know where we are going.
Mwanchu Muriria na sensemo yaye umone waba waziri na baigo mu waziri we wizara ya mangana yechinse echaisco Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi uyonere hoikana hasomuyega bwoko mwenia humogaka Kipchirchir nigwane kebuna onyolire esimi korwa somo waziri wa mangana yechinse echaisco wense ya Iran gakomwenekeria buna umurembo iranire imeyense yo ya Iran mayaga yoko bwateranirwa n'ikisegi cy'intindi na ase ensemo yende yaye umuwaziri we wizara yoborendi bwaime Onesimus Kipchumba Murkomen nigono yanigo harekana ko motogia mono umuraibu wense William Ruto kobatekana roboti rwa economic survey oruo rwasogetibwe na kworokianga omorebwense nigagenderete gwikerania emirememi ya emergency ya Kenya ama norogongo rwa Afrika.
Mheshimiwa Rais, wakati tumekuwa tukikaa hapo na wewe, nimekunong'onezea kwamba jana nilipata nafasi kupokea simu kutoka kwa waziri wa mambo za nchi za kigeni wa Iran, Abbas Araghchi. Na alipopiga simu alizungumza na akasema kuna mambo mbili ambayo sasa wamejua ni ya muhimu sana. Anasema kule baada ya vita hawataki ceasefire, wanataka peace, amani kabisa. Ceasefire ni kukoma tu kupigana, lakini wanasema that is not enough. Tunataka amani.
The economic survey that has been released yesterday is a testimony of the hard work you have put in turning around our country. The people who used to work with you before, I remember, and those are the ones who are making a lot of noise out there. Every time you used to sit in room 6 with the economists, working on the numbers, trying to even coming up with an innovative formula of, G2G purchase of fuel, just to stabilize the country. If you hadn't sat there, think about the country. Those people, because we were with them, they kept saying, unajua sisi hatuelewi mambo ya economy, rais angekuwa angezunguka Kenya kuongelesha watu. But that period of time, 2023, 2024, the efforts you put in our economy are now bearing fruit. And you have moved this country, Your Excellency, to now the third largest economy in sub-Saharan Africa. And as workers who work closely with you, we are extremely proud of the work you have done. In fact, in the security sector, Your Excellency, the economic survey indicates clearly that there is a reduction of crime by more than 10%, which means that we are moving in the right trajectory because of the investment you have put. And the security sector gets better when the economic sector is working better. We salute you for the work you have done, and we will continue working together with Davis and the other cabinet secretary to support your government to deliver to the people of Kenya.
Mwancho mureria na tugotiga nayo bono tutambuke goika sichiro tunyara kumanya agendrete asamangana maya ayobo nchureria bono ase sector yoboremi imeyense nigo yanyoretie chichiringi gwetania 1 trillion yenyemo omwaka wechi 2025 mamincha na makongu ao abeta koba agakwenekibwa omwaka oribwa eta nonyarabo mubwate nigo se nonyarabo obwaita korwa ase bimeri biri byechae emesie chibando omochere amone kagwa nigo yanyarite kwira nanse ekero ekugwekanibwa ne myaka yende ya magaga na asense moyendo mwancho mwereria ni gabaremi korwa se county area Nandi basabire serikali goikirania emeroberio yokobebekere ibigwanda byamabere asichinsemo ao imeye county eyo eriyo goikirania gosako keania sara yikonyorekana gwetera asokonyoria komabere muri ke itolinet ke muntu nigatore ni robot ruko bwati asenchirere eyo goikirano
yoboremi imeyense nigo yanyarite gosoya chilingi gwetania trilioni yemo omwaka bwechiri 2025 mamincha ya makongu ao yanyorete korengana na roboti rwasokiwe ekemerigie chae na kikiasoetie nengenene kobwe bimeri binde oroboti oro nigo boigo rwabekirwe kirari buna okogwa kwerigoririe imeri ase chiro yense ngima ogosareka kwembeo komanyire buna climate change omochando bwoborendi bwe bimeri ase megondo na byebeirerete bitoki korwa soboremi gokea mamincha ya yonsi oboremi meyense na bobogendete kobege sigisagie kona asogo kinyo bonda bwense obobumanyekanete buna uchumi wetero botugi no boremi bwa mugondo abasemi bamangana tungeti oboremi nigo batebire buna asama tukare motwe oboremi meyense ya Kenya nigo borache gokorwa wetero bosiareri bwa mache nabo igo bosimekiwe imeri bikoremereria ugonjoka kwembeo gotigana nayo abaremi korwe county ya Nandi baimurungana iri kubwatekana no kubora kwechi mashini chingiya koirera mabere gosareka ekyo keirere baraboko nyora sara enga kientambe asebanyarire bagochandeka korwa sechiproka abaremi abo bakone amabere se county eyo basabire serikali kobeke merobere mekiranu na koyike kachi mashini chioko gacha mabere eryo banyore chirengiya.
Mwanzo tulikuwa tunakamua maziwa yetu tunauzia brokers. So brokers wakati mwingine wanaenda na pesa zetu bila kutulipa na wanachukua kwa bei ambayo wanataka. Kwa saizi hatuna shida. Wakulima wanalipwa pesa zao ya maziwa kupitia kwa simu na wanapata kilo ya maziwa ambao wameleta the same day.
Alikuwa anatununulia na pengine 40. But saizi tukipull pamoja kama hii, we are now selling at 60 per liter.
Korwa semese ito yo bontereria wegeta seni soko erietariane Linet Kemto.
Mwancho mureria chaptuka chide kemeronge bere igore chinse isato chiabo no morogoba nawe nungi kiro mwerio mangana maya kuregete seni igeito kyabene gen soko TV morogoba bono ikerabo no ngobutorera kolinde Thomas Kwebanga esenchera yabene ningo kuganeria umutienyu muya umutienyu gatano lyo chaka aritko oriankyo na obo ibo masesenia na boigo otwara magani yao bunoganetie guika oikiro mweri no nyanigo asegete seni gen soko TV nigo sobwamo to koneria heshiku esugu kwengeya ya Labor Day yeritko yankyo iyego chengerwa kiraritko ritarike yamo olyo mutienyu gatano waliamo kwa nitabali chintambe moike buya kegara mwachakire sabali yolde ere ntambe ikaritike chimatatu na bego nyasabe nainu na bego omurine chigari na chibwendete na balimo kunde chigari murundi abantu wika chibawika esemegeye ye ya Labor Day esenchera ere endonge wikirabu nonko butara mangana maya kurigete senigeto kyabene gen soko TV umorogoba obonega buna botambe banna basondari amona Kelvin Mogoi na barenge mega yemenyo chokone kinga chibi cha mona Mario ya wikera senchera ereba toru morogobo muya ankyonerituko yasaye agosesenie.